that somebody said, after watching the open workout today and you doing muscle ups, somebody said, yeah, but I only did ring rows. So my question is it right to say that the person that does ring rows in their workout still works just as hard as you doing a prescribed open workout, doing muscle ups?
Yeah, I mean 100%. So one of the things about CrossFit or this type of training is that it's infinitely scalable. That's one of the tenets of CrossFit. When you learn stuff in the CrossFit certifications, it's infinitely scalable. And that doesn't mean that we can make it infinitely easier. It means that we can infinitely scale it. So I can scale it up or down according to your ability level, right? So if you're able to deadlift 500 pounds, then I probably need a different stimulus for you in a conditioning workout with a deadlift than someone that deadlifts 100 pounds or deadlifts 800 pounds.
Right.
You know what I mean? It's not like it's not making it easier. It's making it appropriate to your level.
So nobody should ever feel like I only did this based on the type of work they did, because they're still working just as hard.
Well,
if they're pushing.
Based on the type of the work, then that's how you determine how you should probably feel about your workout. The type of work is where you're at. You know what I mean?
Right.
Not the movements, like not a muscle up, not a weighted muscle up, you know what I mean?
Right.
So that's where it comes in at. You know what I mean? That makes sense. Cool.
Yeah.